Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming bedrock mechanics, enchantment table plus grind or commands. Repair and combine books or swords at an anvil. Prioritize XP since combining cost levels. Once done, check item names and durability so you don't waste materials. Make sure cheats are enabled if you plan to use commands to obtain sweeping edge directly. Otherwise, gather lappies and XP for table enchants, and then move to an anvil for precise combinations. You now create sweeping edge using books or direct table results. Enchant books repeatedly until you get sweeping edge eye. Once you have multiple, combine them on an anvil to reach sweeping edge Roman 2 or Roman 3 while watching level costs. Once you have the desired level book, apply it to your sword. If an incompatible enchant appears, remove it or use a different sword. Also, make sure to reserve XP for final combines so you can afford higher anvil costs. You finish by combining the final sweeps and repairs. Place the highest level sweeping edge book on your best sword and repair as needed to avoid losing durability. Once equipped, test on a cluster of mobs to confirm sweep damage applies. If the anvil says too expensive, try applying the book to a new sword or split combines into smaller steps. If enchants never appear, verify you're in Bedrock and consider using give commands or looting chests as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.